How to use American Express gift card on Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video presentation, I'll address using an American Express gift card on the Nintendo Switch. If you have obtained one, you may wonder if it's viable for checkout on your Nintendo Switch. You can add games, expansions, and more to your card in the eShop. However, during checkout, you'll find the standard options like credit cards or PayPal. While you can redeem a Nintendo gift card using the American Express gift card directly is impossible on the eShop. Instead, consider purchasing a Nintendo gift card from the retailers like Walmart or Amazon using your American Express gift card. This way, you can redeem the gift card on your Switch eShop. Remember, using the American Express gift card directly on the eShop isn't feasible. This video aims to clarify this limitation and inform viewers. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing the video for the more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.